loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliyah Nicole, if you didn't already know, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that we can be friends and you don't miss any more creative videos from me. So today I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, giving them a little flair with some nair, you know what I'm saying, get rid of some of them hairs. And no, but for real, I'm about to give my eyebrows a whole transformation because they most definitely need it. They sitting on my forehead looking like little bushes. So if you want to see what they look like, stay tuned. So this is what we're working with before, you know, hella bushy or whatever. Let me tell you some of the ingredients you're gonna need. Of course, you're gonna need your nair. No, but seriously, be careful when you're using this. Nair is a chemical, and if you leave it on your skin for too long, it will burn you. I got burnt and I didn't even leave it on for 2 minutes. So that should just show you just how careful you should be with this. Starting with a bare face, you're going to need a spoolie. You're going to need some moisturizer. I'm using Cetaphil because that's what I had. That's what's in my face. You're going to need your wash rag to wipe off the cream. And you're going to need some ear cleaners or cotton swabs because you don't want to touch this nair with your hands. Once you're ready and you got your nair, you're going to want to squeeze it onto something to make it easier to apply it. Look at me looking for somewhere. I ended up putting it on this baby don't be bald cap. How ironic. You're only going to need a little bit. Like, even the amount that I squeezed out was too much. So just be mindful of that. So to start, I just brush all my eyebrow hairs up and make sure, you know, they brushed up. And right here I'm showing you how to apply it. I just tap it. I go in a tap in motion all around the hair that I want to get removed. And then I go in with the actual nair. I was just showing you how to do it, you know. So I just go around and tap some nair on all the hair that I want to be removed. I make sure it's a nice thick layer so all the hair comes off evenly. I do that above the brow. I do that on the other brow, like the same process and everything. And then I put some in the middle too, because you know you want to get rid of all of them unibrow hairs. You know, get rid of all of that. We don't want none of that. And then we just wait.
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nicky M. I'm in a sticky Benz. That means candy apple red. I'm Barbie, this is Ken. That is a Fendi fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is cut the day. Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
If you accidentally get some nair on your eyebrow that you were not trying to wax off, go ahead and wipe that off immediately. So this is what the nair is looking like on my eyebrows. You don't want to leave it on for more than a couple minutes. Like, for real, just like 1 or 2. But yeah. You see all that hair? Yuck. Well, not yuck, but I'm gonna clean it up.
Baby, feel lonely. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby, feel lonely.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Now it's time to wipe the nair off your eyebrow. So I grab the corner of a towel, I wet it, and when I wipe it with pressure, and I do it slowly to make sure all the hair comes off, make sure all the nair is off. I rinse the towel and do it again, and I repeat the process till it's all done. When I'm done, I just go in with my tweezers and pluck any extra hairs I might have missed or was too scared to touch with the nair. And yeah, I just do that. I do that to my unibrow. I do that to the top of the brow. It's not a lot of hair, so I'm taking out, but I still like to go in and make sure it's all good. So I have sensitive skin. My skin is becoming very irritated, turning red, but these are the brows and they look cute. But yeah. I don't know why I thought this little Q-tip was doing something, but I quickly went right straight to my fingers. Okay, we about to rub this in. I put a lot on because, as you see, my skin was starting to turn red, and I wanted to try to soothe it a little bit, so I went ham with the Cetaphil.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end.
So this is the finished result. They look so good. I love the way it came out. This is like my 3rd or 4th time doing this nair thing, and I like them. My brows ain't twins by any means. They sisters though. I like the way each individual brow looks like, but it's kind of clear they don't look the same, but they look close enough for me, and that's cool. If you like what you saw, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, you know, so you don't miss any more creative videos from me, and I'll see you guys later.
Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth.